following is an emergency action notification issued by the President of the United States. At 9:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, attack was reported against this country. The attack was said to have taken place at the World Trade Center in New York City, where 2 planes have been crashed into the Twin Towers. Also, another plane was crashed into the Pentagon in Arlington, Virginia. These crashes are said to be intentional and that more might happen. All residents in the United States are asked to stay on alert for more possible attacks and stay tuned to all media outlets for further details. This concludes this emergency action notification message.